is in the vicinity of 9 Mile Bull Bay Beach Road. And this is coming from the main road. This is coming from the main road. So all of who live in Beach Road is currently trapped right now. Anybody should get sick or any emergency, a helicopter come here lifted. Nobody can move out of Beach Road right now.
Stop war on yourself, man. Charlie light post gone. All the light post.
No road, no pier, brother.
Baba, dog, go over there, man. Go down there, you know.
Garden Town Road, there is no road. The wall is gone. The road is gone. Only persons who are walking can cross, and bikes. It is completely impassable by vehicles. Only motorcycles and those who are walking can pass. Completely impassable.
Yeah. What? I mean, long time I see you get so angry now.
Philippines, man, I'm sure.
You're nasty, pitney. Fuck, say, boy, you come out and the river and boy, pour me. Get no pour. I don't want to see. Yeah, I don't go. I don't want to see.
Where them go? Where them there?
Yeah. Come down heavy, I know, you know.
I will stand the farm.
Guys, I'm going to draw, you know.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm going to draw, you know.
Got a two and he'll come up. Let that drive up.
More rain than it's dropping.
I can't believe this girl. Girl, I'm going to viral no video, I'm going to see me there.
See the sea mode open there.
You're not dead, him
Sea
like
mode
this.
open there, you're not dead. Yes, see there. See lie down there, so. Yeah, me want to blow him there. Down there, so down a 4 feet.
Oh, clear, see there.
Oh, I think that man, he's so ready to move.
Yeah. So it go to go to late, bye. Yeah.
Tayo, ito naman yung salary Mexico ngayon.
What? I mean, still go
Build wall, building a wall to this. You must step in it all after. This is much cheaper. What do you do?
Eh?
Instead of calling about the pot of our after what do you
Sir, we have to come out in the rain for this. Look, Fan River, what are the name? Sandy Gully. Me backside. The river this. Rotted. Watch out. This is more than river. We have to come out in the rain for this.